Top 5 Best Soldering Stations in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best soldering stations? If you received a new soldering stations, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best soldering stations on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The Sugan T6 soldering station is a high-performance 400W rework station for precision soldering and welding tasks. It is compatible with C470, 245, and 210 soldering iron tips, making it ideal for large solder joints and intricate repair work. It features adjustable temperature control for optimal heat management and efficiency. CE and FCC certified, it offers stability and reliability, making it a valuable addition to any workbench or electronics workshop. BDT 19 377.89 BDT 38 755.7950. Number 2. The JCD 8898 750W soldering station is a versatile 2-in-1 rework welding tool for efficient soldering and hot air repair tasks. It features an LCD digital display for precise temperature control, ensuring optimal performance for soldering iron and hot air functions. Certified with CE, it offers reliable and stable performance, suitable for both professional and hobbyist users. The included soldering iron and hot air tools allow for a wide range of applications. JCD 8898 750W soldering. Number 3. The IR6500 BGA rework station is a high-performance infrared soldering system designed for precise and efficient PCB rework and soldering. It features a 1250W electric heating system with closed-loop temperature control, with upper and bottom heating elements, 400W and 800W, for uniform heat distribution. The system has an 80mm x 80mm upper heating area and 180mm x 180mm bottom heating area, and is available in 220V EU and 110V US versions. Electric welding table closed-loop tempera. Number 4. The Hot Air Heat Gun Hot Digital Display Air Rework Station Digital Display Quick Station 861DWAC 110V-A902 Pro Soldering Station is a high-quality double-station welding and rework tool for cell phone PCB and IC repair. It supports C115, C210, and C245 soldering iron tips for flexibility and offers precise temperature control for delicate repairs. Designed for professional and DIY use, it is built with high-quality materials and certified with CE, RoHS, and WEEE for safety. Number 5. The 1000W Soldering Hot Air Heat Gun is a precision soldering and desoldering tool with a digital display for easy temperature and airflow control. Operating at 110V AC, it is suitable for various applications, including electronics and PCB work. With a 1000W power output, it provides fast heat for component removal, soldering, and surface mounting. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and compact size allows easy storage. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this versatile heat temperature control for delicate repairs. Designed for professional and DIY use, it is built with high-quality materials and certified with CE, RoHS, and WEEE for. Thanks for watching the video.